street thief.
You're a street thief. I'll get another one for you, mate. Yeah. God, you wouldn't think I was a photographer, would you? Hold up. I do.
Are you paparazzi?
Let's get a picture of you then. Come on.
With him or me?
You.
Come on then.
What's going on here then? Guys, be sure to hang around at the end of this video because I've got some, I think I've got some real juicy portraits. So I was just thinking, like, street photography has a lot to do with attitude. What you get back is the equivalent of what you put in. But I've said it before, if you're hesitant or too hesitant, the access you get to people will be a struggle. And that hesitation and uncertainty will be reflected in the images you take.
You wanna fight? Ooh, has got that time, not me. Ooh, he is interested in.
What are you saying, big man?
All right, fella?
Hello, young lady.
Huh?
You wanna go on the boat?
No, mate. I can't swim. Shall I get a picture of you guys?
Yeah, come on, man. Oh, yeah, the music boat.
Don't care.
There you go.
He's hiding. He's hiding. Well, let me get you hiding.
I'm hiding, man. On Instagram, the music.
I won't forget, man.
Take a picture of the sign.
Yeah, I won't forget.
You'll find it on Instagram, the music boat.
All right, mate. You're a street thief. I'll get another one for you, mate. Yeah. We've got some fucking decent light today as well.
I don't know how should I pose.
You're fine, mate. Just as you are, man. Just as you are. God, you wouldn't think I was a photographer, would you? Hold up.
Are you paparazzi?
Let's get a picture of you then. Come on.
With him or me?
You.
Come on then.
Stand here though.
Alright, stand here. What about here? What about, where's the boat?
Just don't move. Don't move.
Don't move.
Right, hold up.
You
Put your hands up to your glasses. Like that. No, like this.
Mate, are you Rishi Sunak friends?
No.
I know what you're doing.
Oh, I swear.
Come on, take pictures of me. I'm going back to Calais.
I did once do a shoot for the police.
What?
That'll do.
Sure. I just see one dog there.
Can we see him? I look like a retard. I am a retard.
I didn't get a good portrait of him, man. He needs to have
Listen, don't worry, wait.
Huh?
Urban thief or
The street thief.
I'm a model.
You look like a model, man. It's all
don't
this.
forget to mention the music, but hold on a second.
I won't,
play.
mate. Honestly.
Where's the sign? Where's the sign? Can you pass me the sign, please?
Always running, adrenaline in every blood cell. Some say I'm on well.
I shoot these guys once in a while. They're great. They charge people to take photos of them. I think it's called Get a Punk Drunk. I'm not paying for it though. They love me. My personality when I'm out shooting is amplified. I create an attitude, kind of a character. It's me, of course it's me, but it's me amped up. You know, I'm a fairly confident person, but I know people are a lot more confident than me. On the street, my confidence and how I project myself is fueled by attitude. But I'm playful, I'm on purpose. The way that I want to come across is to kind of take people by surprise.
Can I get your portrait?
To me is in confliction, a straight contradiction with my mind. Guilty pleasure has a bitter taste. In the end, my friend, are you sure you wanna fight? Ooh, has got that time, not me. Ooh, he is interested in patience. Oh, I'm a gazelle, always running. Adrenaline in every blood cell. Some say I'm unwell, but I don't care. Oh, I swear. What you do to me disagree. Love the circumstances, not me. Who has got the time? Not me. I'm a gazelle.
Because like I said, when I'm shooting, I'm playful, I have a high energy, and I want to take people by surprise. But my attitude is one of, I'm not taking no for an answer. If you come from that place, people, mostly, they kind of fall into line. It's like a Jedi mind trick.
Always running, adrenaline, every blood cell. Some say I'm unreal, but I don't care. Oh, I swear, I don't care. Don't care. Kill the lights, I'm out. Or kill the noise.
Thanks, man.
And this is a practice, guys. Like, I've heard people when I talk to them about this kind of approach, it's like, yeah, well, I'm not like that, I just want to be myself. But they think the way that they go about every day is natural. It's not natural, you're just used to it. It's become a habit. It's no more real than any other attitude, persona that we might adopt. It's that we're so used to it, we think it's real. We weren't born with it. So creating yourself being more confident is not fake, it just feels unfamiliar. It's like I said, you're not used to it. You know, these videos, it's not about attempting to change anybody or fix them. I couldn't do that if I tried. It's about sharing my experience and you take it or leave it. Guys, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up, a like. YouTube loves that, really supports me. I don't take it for granted, I promise. If you haven't bought a copy yet of this zine, it's my zine stroke book, The Way of the Street Photographer, grab yourself a copy, go to lashmar.com on my website and follow the signposts to the zine. I promise you're going to love it. You can kind of fold it up, put it in your pocket. It's going to get you out of jail when you need a little bit of inspiration. Is that us? I think that's us. Out.
Has got that time, not me.